Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Horning. I was just coming to show you real quick how to sign into Google. Most of you, I think, have been able to sign in, but a couple of you are having trouble, and I think I figured out why. So first of all, if you just go to the Google web browser, up here you can click sign in. And then I have lots of accounts on here. I'm just going to do okay, use another account. So what you actually have to do from here is you have to type in the last name. That's not my last name. Horning.Carey at olsohio.org. I'm guessing that we're not adding this portion here because I believe the Chromebooks actually pre-do that for you, but on your home device it is not going to do that, or an iPad or anything, it's not. So you have to type in at olsohio.org. You click next, and then the password is still going to be the first initial, last initial, and then their lunch number. Now I did log into a couple students' accounts today, and that does actually work, but that's why I'm guessing that we're forgetting the olsohio.org. So give that a try, and if it doesn't work, let me know. Thanks.